So I came here to tell y'all how I went from this. No, how I went from this to this. Okay, so I got my mask or whatever, and since I'm doing my skin too, I won't scare y'all, but I'm doing my skin too. I'm just gonna put it on my I'm gonna put it in my hair first, and then I'm gonna put it in my skin. But my curl pattern in the back isn't that bad as it is in the front. Like, this is all straight, and this isn't from coloring my hair. This is from heat damage and stretch damage. And y'all probably don't know what stretch damage is, but when you stretch your hair too much, even if you're not using heat, you can damage your hair. I'm gonna start by sectioning my hair into 3 sections. I'm gonna do the front. I'm gonna part it. I'm not really parting it like really special. It don't have to be put in there like perfect, as long as you get it all over your hair. So I'm just putting the top part in the ponytail. And you don't have to do it like this. I'm doing it like this because this is gonna be easier for me. Then I'm gonna split the back into 2 sections. Like I said, you don't have to do it like this. But I washed and conditioned my hair with Tresemme, with the Keratin Smooth Color Tresemme shampoo and conditioner. And my hair is like damp, but it's not like wet. So yeah, I'm just gonna start by just putting it all over my hair. And keep in mind that it is mud, so it's gonna feel funny on your hair. Kind of almost dry. And also, it does not have a pleasant smell because it is mixed with apple cider vinegar. Make sure to get it on all of your strands of hair. Okay, y'all, so I'm all done, and this is what my hair looks like. So my curl pattern is coming back, y'all. If y'all don't know, I naturally have like a sorry, my face dry. I did face mask too, but if y'all don't know, I naturally have like a 2/3B hair texture. So I have like they're curls, but they're pretty loose. So y'all, my curl pattern is coming back. Let me show y'all the, ooh, don't look at that. Let me show y'all the part where it was really straight. So it's like wavy right there, and then all of this is coming back curly. So I know if I do the mask a few more times, you know, it's gonna work. So I'm just gonna do it again in 2 weeks, and then again in 2 weeks after that, and I'm pretty sure my curl pattern should be all the way back. But hey, y'all better try this and let me know if it worked for y'all, cause my curls were struggling, y'all. My curls really were struggling, especially now that my hair is dyed. I really want to keep my hair as healthy as I can, because y'all know I be doing some crazy stuff to my hair sometimes. So yeah, if you kind of, you know, got a couple loose screws like me, and you be doing like crazy stuff with your hair out of nowhere, definitely go ahead and get the secret Indian clay stuff. I'm gonna link where I got mine from down below. I got it from Amazon, and you can get some apple cider vinegar from any grocery store, and it don't matter what kind. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I hope it helps y'all out a lot. Give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, all that. Another video coming soon, super soon. You know, consistency all summer 2018. Now, I ain't gonna make no promises for when school start back, but for the summer, I got y'all. Hey. Okay, sis. I'm gonna just have to flip it to this side where my curls popping at. You know what I'm saying? Ow. Bye, y'all.